Hey creators, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today, we're diving into a super exciting topic that's been generating a lot of buzz in the online business world. Want to make printables that earn over $15,000 a month using AI in 2025? That's right, we're talking about leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to create and sell digital printables, and potentially build a very lucrative passive income stream. I've tested the top 4 AI tools for generating stunning printables, putting them through their paces to see which ones truly deliver the best results. And I'm laying out how you can tweak them for uniqueness, and actually sell them on Etsy and beyond. We're not just creating pretty pictures here, we're building a business. I'll show you how to take those AI-generated designs and turn them into unique, marketable products that stand out from the crowd. If you're excited, hit that like button, let's dive in. Your support helps me create more content like this, so thank you in advance. First, why printables and why now? What makes this such a hot opportunity in the current market? Printables are digital products that your customers download and print themselves. Think wall art, planners, checklists, educational resources, anything that can be delivered as a digital file and printed at home. That means zero shipping, no inventory headaches, and pure profit margins. You create the design once, and it can be sold an unlimited number of times. It's the ultimate scalable business model. With AI design tools, you can whip up beautiful artwork in minutes, not hours. What used to take days or weeks of design work can now be accomplished in a fraction of the time, thanks to the power of AI. Real talk. Creators are pulling in over $15,000 monthly using these exact workflows, and that's according to top blog posts on Toolify and Medium. These aren't just hypothetical numbers, these are real-world results that creators are achieving right now. But does it actually work? Let's look at Etsy. Let's dive into the data and see what's really happening on this popular online marketplace. I found a shop with 51,000 sales doing vintage-style landscape art. Yep, reportedly over 15 grand a month. And that's just one example. There are countless other shops finding success with printables on Etsy. Another seller has 300,000 sales, raking in $66,000 monthly. These numbers are staggering, and they demonstrate the immense potential of the printable market. The lesson? Product quality is awesome, but marketing is what makes the magic happen. You can have the most beautiful designs in the world, but if nobody sees them, you won't make any sales. Now, onto the tools. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of which AI platforms are best for creating printables that sell. First up, Kittl AI for landscape art. Kittl is a fantastic platform with a user-friendly interface and powerful AI capabilities. Here's my process. I jump into Kittl, pick oil painting, and prompt something like, spring meadow with small white flowers, sunrise. The key here is to be specific with your prompts to get the best results. Then I generate the results, pull my favorite into the artboard, and tweak brightness, contrast, and saturation until it pops. Don't be afraid to experiment with different settings to achieve the perfect look. Pro tip: dial in your DPI for crisp, printable, high-res files. This is crucial for ensuring that your printables look professional and high quality when printed. You can sign up free, just know AI features need a pro or expert plan. The free plan is great for exploring the platform, but you'll need a paid plan to unlock the full potential of Kittl's AI features. Next, CF Spark on Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica is a well-known platform for designers and crafters, and CF Spark is their AI-powered design tool. I saw another Etsy shop rack up 16,000 sales of watercolor landscapes, over 5 grand a month. Watercolor landscapes are a consistently popular niche on Etsy, and CF Spark makes it easy to create them. I pick watercolor style, prompt for pine trees and mountains, run a few variations, and download the best. Again, experiment with different prompts and styles to find what works best for you. For extra flair, I remove backgrounds in Photoshop and add quotes in Kittl. This is a great way to add a personal touch to your designs and make them more unique. It's free to play, but you'll need a subscription for high-res downloads and commercial use. Make sure you understand the licensing terms before you start selling your designs. Third, Night Cafe for city prints. Think Paris or NYC. Night Cafe is a great option for creating unique and artistic cityscapes. I use prompts like walking in the city of Paris in a detailed gouache style, make color and black and white versions, and upscale for print. Offering both color and black and white versions can appeal to a wider range of customers. You get free low-res images, but upgrading unlocks pro features and higher resolution. Upgrading is definitely worth it if you plan to sell your designs commercially. Fourth, Midjourney, perfect for coloring pages and planners. Midjourney is known for its ability to create highly detailed and intricate designs. I hop into Discord, prompt intricate animal face coloring page, and upscale it for print. The possibilities are endless when it comes to coloring page designs. For planners, I use ChatGPT to brainstorm niches like fitness planners, then generate basic layouts in Midjourney and polish them in Kittle or Canva. This combination of tools allows you to create highly customized and functional planners. Quick licensing tip: always check each platform's commercial use rules. This is absolutely essential to avoid any legal issues down the road. Most let you sell AI-generated art if you're on a paid plan. However, it's always best to double-check the specific terms and conditions of each platform. Remember, Etsy's success is about more than just designs. You need solid SEO, great mock-ups, consistent listings, and smart marketing. Treat your Etsy shop like a real business, and you'll be much more likely to succeed. Here's your blueprint: market research, AI creation, polish, list, promote, and scale. Follow this step-by-step process, and you'll be well on your way to building a successful printable business. Tools featured were Kittle, Creative Fabrica's CF Spark, Night Cafe, Midjourney, and ChatGPT. These are just a few of the many AI tools available, so be sure to explore and find what works best for you. Got questions or want a deep dive? Drop a comment. I'm always happy to answer your questions and provide more detailed information. Free trial links are in the description. Be sure to check them out and take advantage of these offers to try out the tools for yourself. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Your support means the world to me and helps me continue to create valuable content for you. Let's make money with AI printables together. See you next time. I'm excited to see what you create and the success you achieve. Good luck and happy creating. Now that you know how to create stunning printables with AI, let's talk about the secret sauce: marketing. Because even the most beautiful designs won't sell themselves. Here are proven strategies to get your printables in front of the right buyers and watch those sales roll in. First up, social media promotion. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok are gold mines for reaching your target audience. Start by sharing eye-catching mock-ups of your printables. Use free tools like Canva to style your designs in real-life settings, like a cozy workspace or a stylish gallery wall. On Instagram, try posting carousel images showing your printable in different rooms or uses. On Pinterest, create vertical pins with keywords like minimalist wall art or printable planner for moms. Don't forget to use relevant hashtags and jump on trending sounds or challenges on TikTok for extra reach. Next, let's tackle SEO for Etsy and other marketplaces. The right keywords are your best friend here. Use tools like eRank or Marmalade to research high-traffic search terms. Craft your titles and tags with phrases real buyers are searching for, like boho nursery printable, 2025 budget planner, or custom wedding invitation template. Fill out every field in your listings, from attributes to materials, and write clear, benefit-focused descriptions. The more relevant info you provide, the higher your chances of showing up in search results. Building an email list is another game changer. Offer a freebie, like a sample printable or an exclusive discount, in exchange for your customer's email. Use a simple landing page with MailChimp or ConvertKit to collect signups. Then, send regular updates with new launches, seasonal promotions, or behind-the-scenes peeks at your creative process. Your email list is an audience you own, so nurture it. Mockups are essential for presentation. People want to visualize how your printable will look in their space. Use high-quality mock-up images to show your art framed on a wall, your planner pages on a desk, or your checklists in use. This helps buyers imagine the product in their own lives, making them much more likely to hit add to cart. Collaborating with influencers can give your shop a huge boost. Reach out to micro-influencers in your niche, like home decor bloggers, productivity coaches, or teachers, and offer your printables in exchange for a review or feature. Even a single Instagram story or TikTok video can drive a flood of new buyers to your shop. Finally, running paid ads can help you scale. Start small with Etsy's built-in ads. Just a few dollars a day to boost your top listings. On Pinterest and Instagram, promote your best-performing posts to reach a wider targeted audience. Track your results and double down on what works. Remember, marketing is all about testing, tweaking, and having fun with it. Don't be afraid to try new things, learn from your analytics, and keep showing up for your audience. With the right marketing, your AI-powered printables can become bestsellers. Let's get your shop noticed and those sales notifications pinging.